Fetch Rewards, Rakuten, and Ibotta. All give shoppers ways to earn rewards, but they work differently because Fetch focuses on receipts, Rakuten focuses on shopping through cashback links, and Ibotta focuses on eligible offers before purchases. By the end, you'll know how Fetch Rewards, Rakuten, and Ibotta compare, what each app is best at, and which one fits your shopping habits. The best app depends on how you shop. Fetch Rewards is usually the simplest, because you can earn points by scanning receipts from eligible purchases. Rakuten is built around online shopping through participating stores. Ibotta requires more planning because you usually need to check offers before buying qualifying products. Fetch Rewards is designed for convenience. You complete a purchase, upload your receipt, and earn points when the receipt qualifies. This makes it useful for people who do not want to change where they shop or what they buy. The trade-off is that rewards depend on whether your receipts contain eligible items or offers. Buying something does not automatically mean you will earn the same reward every time. Rakuten works differently because the savings happen through shopping with partner retailers. Instead of scanning every grocery receipt, you start your online purchase through Rakuten and receive cashback when the transaction qualifies. This makes Rakuten a better match for planned online purchases. If you are already buying something online, checking Rakuten before completing the order can help you find available cashback opportunities. Ibotta is more focused on offer-based shopping. You open the app, review available deals, purchase qualifying products, and complete the required steps to receive rewards. That means Ibotta can require more preparation, but it can also match shoppers who already compare grocery deals before heading to the store. When ranking these apps by ease of use, Fetch Rewards usually comes first, because the process is simple. When ranking by online shopping value, Rakuten fits better because it is built around retailer purchases. When ranking by planned grocery savings, Ibotta may be the better match. The biggest mistake is choosing one app and ignoring how you actually shop. A person who buys groceries regularly may prefer a different app than someone who shops online for electronics, clothing, or travel. The main points are simple. Fetch Rewards is receipt-based and easy to use. Rakuten is designed for online cashback. Ibotta rewards shoppers who plan around available offers. The next step is to test one app during your normal shopping routine instead of changing your habits completely. Track the rewards you actually receive and keep the app that fits your routine. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other money-saving app comparisons before choosing your next rewards tool.